Namaste. Welcome to our day 24 and let's begin today's practice with your leg stretched out. Bring your hands back and push your back with your elbows so that you can feel the stretch on your back of the legs and you keep your back straight and safe from hurting. Good. Come back to the center. Shake your leg. Bend your knees. Bring the hands by the side, either this way or you can interlock your fingers, whichever feels easier. Lean back slightly. Lift the leg up. And you're going to do as if you are cycling. Other way around. And then down. Bring the hands on the ground and keep the hand on the ground. Lift the leg up and bring them up and down. That's good. Release, shake your leg. And bring the hand by the side of the buttocks. Bend your knees. Tabletop 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then go onto your knees. Measure your hands for dolphin. Bring the hands on the ground. Interlock your fingers. Lift your hips up. We will do 10 dolphin. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your chest to the hands. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the elbows down here. Take your time, between 5 and 10 seconds if you need. Once you're ready, extend the leg back for plank. You can hold between 10 seconds to up to 30 seconds. Then push with your hands and go into body in a straight line, upper plank. Then kneel down onto your knees. And now we are going to do this same process but faster, about 3 to 5 times, where we will go upper plank and plank on the elbow. Ready? Plank, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. And you can rest in cat if you need to. And once you're ready, go back to the plank. Then bring right leg up, down, and the left leg. Down, right leg up, down, left leg up, down, go into the cat. We will repeat the same one more time. Plank, then inhale, right leg up, down, left leg up, down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Go into child pose. Rest in child pose between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And whenever you're ready, sit up. You can take your time, sit longer if you need to, or if you want to today. If you feel like to sit longer, because dhyan is why we practice yogasanas. And thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.